Hey everyone, welcome back to your another favorite video from your favorite channel Iphone Bloke, where we help quality people to pick up quality products. So in today's video presentation, I'm going to be introducing a unique watch, a watch which is not only is in demand these days, it's one of those fantastically good looking watch which is not only going to get you a great status when you wear in your wrist. Along with that, it's a watch which will also remind you that yes, you are from a military background. So enough is enough. Let's get started. Let's talk about the watch. And this is none other than Fossil Nate Black Stainless Steel Chronograph watch. And here is the gem, right? So in today's video presentation, I want to talk about this fantastic brand from America, Fossil. And I'm going to cover every single aspect about its quality, its features, its size, its build, and why should you end up buying this fantastic product, which is really cool, or you can say it's a luxurious stuff to have in your kitty in case if you happen to have one. So let's get started. This is a black color Fossil stainless steel Nate Chronograph watch, which talks about the complete stainless steel body. If you see in the video, it has complete black dials. It is solid as a rock. It is really heavy watch, so in case if you're buying to buy this particular watch in your wrist, then you must be prepared to handle heavy stuff, because this is quite a watch which has gonna give you a feeling of premiumness, richness, plush, and everything what you demand from a costly product indeed. So if I talk about overall the weight of the watch, it's really bulky. It's not as good as these days smart watches where you have everything light in weight. So this is little heavier because it's made of stainless steel. It gives you great feeling when you wear in your hand, because if you see the design, it's absolutely enthralling. It is a sort of a watch which comes with unique edges, unique touch, unique color, and all in all, if you wear in your hands, it's gonna give you a feeling of a wow. So design of this wonderful watch is absolutely brilliant. That's number one. Number two, the features. So let's say if you end up spending close to 200 some dollars for this particular watch. If I talk about INR, it's around about 11,000 some change in India. You would definitely talk about features, definitely talk about that what is it there in the watch, and why should we pay 11,000 rupees for a watch which is just a chronograph watch. Okay, it is from Fossil, so what? But what is so special about it? So the first thing first, which I'd like to talk about this particular watch is, this is a waterproof watch till 50 meters. So let's say if you are a swimmer, you like to have a swimming, you like to go in the rain more often than not, you are a photographer, you are somebody who plays cricket, this is the sort of a watch you can always keep in your hands in any weather condition, because it is going to give you unbelievable safety precaution measures, and you would never end up taking this watch out from your hand, because the watch is well protected from water and can go up to 50 meters for sure, barring if you are a scuba diver. That is where this will not go. But apart from that, this is a watch which can do all the magic in terms of sports, physical activity, keeping in check so-called the basic timekeeping and parameters. So that's a classy touch when it comes to protection from water resistance, close to 50 meters if you go deep. So that's a special thing about this watch. When it comes to features, this watch has got three different things. If you see this particular thing, it has, the middle one has a 24-hour world clock, and then you have a next, which is a second timekeeper, and a minute as well. So this has got a global time, that's 24 hours time. It has got the time watch, it has got a stopwatch, it has got a minute as well, and along with the date, which you normally get in any smart watches these days. So of course these are the prime important factors which we all keep in mind before we buy such fantastic and high profile watches. Now Going forward with my experience with this particular watch, as I've used for some time, because I already had one in the past, and this is the one which I'm reviewing as per the customer's request. So this is a sort of a watch which may not give you, let's say, a feel of a Rolex or a feel of a Tag Heuer or a feel of those famous Swiss watches. But then if you happen to have a budget of close to, let's say, $250, or let's say close to 11,000, I beg your pardon, as per INR, this is a sort of a watch which you would never say that you'd regret buying it. And along with that, this is a sort of a watch which is going to give you a plush feeling altogether, because the watch is not just made up of stainless steel. It has a nice tough look to it, a nice feel to it, and all in all, if this is one of your choices which you're going to make after this particular video, I'm telling you, would never say that you made a bad deal. So that's a bit about this wonderful watch. And on the same, I would like to give you a wonderful description about one of the promotional offers which Amazon has got these days. So in the description below, I am going to drop a link along with this particular watch and the other watch, which is a Fossil smartwatch. And if you click that particular link and go and buy that, buy this watch or even a smartwatch with the help of that, my link, which I'm going to share with you, you would definitely end up getting a lot of discount in case you're looking for a fantastic smartwatch from Fossil. Well, with this note, thank you so much for watching, and till we meet next time, you take care.